Hi and welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd just do this short video today because I think it'll help a lot of people out. So let's get straight into it. So have you ever struggled to get glue off glass? This particular glass has had masked up masking tape on it for about 5 years now, and it's been outside. So as you can imagine, it's very hard to remove. With this simple trick, it comes off effortlessly. So you may be thinking to yourself, what is the stuff? Well, it's simple. It's white vinegar. Distilled white vinegar. Wipe it on, get yourself a little blade and scrape it straight off. As you can see, it really is as simple as that. Okay, that's it for today. Just thought I'd do a short video, just thinking that may help somebody out. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.